Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, we're learning real English conversations at the supermarket. You'll practice 5 everyday situations. 1. Buying groceries for the week. 2. At the checkout counter. 3. Asking for help in the aisle. 4. Returning an item or getting a refund. 5. Comparing prices and choosing products. Learning tip. Listen carefully, repeat each line aloud, and copy the rhythm and tone. Practice speaking like you're really there. That's how your English grows fast. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Let's start your supermarket English journey together. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'm shopping for the week. Could you tell me where to find fresh vegetables?
Sure. Vegetables are in aisle 2, near the dairy section.
Thank you. Oh, and do you sell organic apples?
Yes, we do. They're on the top shelf in the fruit section, the green label.
Perfect. I'll take a few of those.
After a few minutes,
Excuse me, do you know if the chicken breast is on sale today?
yes, it is. 20% off if you buy 2 packs.
That's great. I'll take 2, please.
Would you like them fresh or frozen?
Fresh, please.
Woman walks toward the next aisle.
Oh, I can't find rice. Could you tell me where it is?
Rice is in aisle 5, next to the noodles and sauces.
Got it. Thanks. You're very helpful.
My pleasure. Anything else you need today?
No, that's all. I think I'm ready to check out.
Great. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. You too.
Key phrases you learned today. Asking for help.
Where can I find fresh vegetables? Do you sell organic apples? Is the chicken breast on sale today?
Directions and offers. They're in aisle 2, near the dairy section. 20% off if you buy 2 packs. Rice is in aisle 5, next to the noodles.
Hello.
Hello there. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you. Just these items.
Great. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. 1 large bag.
Sure. That'll be 10 cents extra for the bag.
He starts scanning the items.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Oh, yes, here it is.
Perfect. Thank you. You've earned 120 points so far.
Nice. How many points do I need for a reward?
Usually 500 points for a $5 discount. You're getting close.
He continues scanning.
Would you like to donate $1 to the local food bank today?
Yes, sure, let's do that.
Thank you very much. Every bit helps.
He finishes scanning the items.
Your total is $38.25. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
You can tap or insert your card whenever you're ready.
Done.
Payment approved. Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. You too. Key phrases you learned today. Shopping interaction.
Did you find everything you needed? Would you like a bag? Do you have a loyalty card? Would you like to donate $1?
Payment.
Your total is $38.25. Cash or card? You can tap or insert your card. Would you like your receipt?
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course, madam. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for almond milk, but I can't seem to find it.
Ah, almond milk. It's in aisle 6, next to the soy milk.
Oh, thank you. I must have walked past it.
They walk together down the aisle. Here you go. We have several brands: unsweetened, vanilla, and original.
Great. Which one do most people prefer?
The vanilla one is quite popular. It's slightly sweet.
Perfect. I'll take that one.
The woman looks around.
Do you also sell gluten-free bread?
Yes, it's in the bakery section, just a few aisles down, aisle 9.
Oh, okay. And is it frozen or fresh?
Fresh, madam. We bake it every morning.
That's wonderful. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Anything else I can help you find?
Actually, yes. Where can I find cleaning wipes?
Aisle 12, near the household section.
Got it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking for help.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
I'm looking for almond milk.
Where can I find gluten-free bread?
Anything else I can help you find?
Giving directions. It's in aisle 6, next to the soy milk.
Just a few aisles down. Aisle 9.
Near the household section.
Hello, excuse me, I bought this milk yesterday, but it's already expired.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, madam. May I see the receipt, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I see you bought it yesterday afternoon. Would you like a refund or a replacement?
I'd prefer a replacement, please.
The man checks the milk carton. Yes, you're right. It's expired. Let me get you a fresh one from the shelf.
Thank you. I'd appreciate that.
A few moments later. Here's a new one, madam. The expiry date is next month.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Just to confirm, you don't want a refund, correct?
Yes, that's right. I'll take the replacement.
Excellent. I've updated your receipt for our records.
That's very professional of you.
Thank you. We try our best. Anything else I can help with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're most welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Key phrases you learned today.
I bought this yesterday, but it's expired. May I see the receipt, please? Would you like a refund or a replacement?
Resolving the problem.
Let me get you a fresh one from the shelf. The expiry date is next month. I've updated your receipt for our records.
Excuse me, could you help me compare these two juices, please?
Of course, madam. What would you like to know?
They look similar. Both say 100% orange juice, but one is cheaper. What's the difference?
Good question. This one is imported from Spain, and the other is locally made in Thailand.
Ah, I see. Is the taste different?
Not much, but the imported one is slightly sweeter.
And which one sells more?
Most customers prefer the local one. It's fresh, and it's on promotion today. Buy one, get the second half price.
That's a good deal. I'll take 2 bottles of the local brand then. She places the juices in her basket. By the way, do you know if you have any low-sugar snacks?
Yes, they're in aisle 10, near the healthy food section. You'll see a green low sugar sign above the shelf.
Great, thank you. Oh, and what about non-dairy yogurt?
We have soy and coconut yogurt in the refrigerated section, aisle 3.
Excellent. I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure, madam. Anything else today?
No, I think that's all. You've been very kind.
Thank you. Enjoy your shopping and don't forget to use your membership card for extra points.
Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me. Have a lovely day.
You too, madam.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking for help.
Could you help me compare these two juices, please?
What's the difference between these products?
Is the taste different?
Which one sells more?
Promotions and recommendations. It's on promotion today. Buy one, get the second half price.
You'll see a low sugar sign above the shelf.
Don't forget to use your membership card for extra points. Great job, everyone! You've just learned 5 real supermarket conversations, from shopping and asking for help to checkout and refunds. Learning tip: keep practicing by listening again and repeating each line out loud. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to follow, like, and share to help more people learn English with you. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning English at home together.